pussy if it costs me. I only fuck with her cause she boss. She drink me in the morning like some coffee. I hit her in the morning like the gym. I'm dunking on that pussy like the rim. Stomp a nigga in my Yeezy like some Tim. Boy, that nigga baby Jesus going in. I'm up and selling pounds at the yo. I take a couple pounds for a show. You better ask around if you don't know. What you got? Got the 40 on me now and I'ma blow. Boom. My flip phone ringing cause it's cheap. Front me, I'ma keep it if you sweet. Give me that. No internet, no speaking, I don't tweet. Not into that, let's keep it in the street. Yeah. I got a couple pounds in my book bag. Yeah. I brought your bitch around just to look at. I fuck her on the ground like a hood rag. I tell her turn around, make her look bad. I tell her bust it open for the baby. She sucking on me, choking, going crazy. I just put her with a new bitch. No. She a hoe, but she just acting like a lady. 100 hoes on me, get them off. Yeah. I don't pay for pussy if it costs me. I only fuck with her cause she boss. She drink me in the morning like some coffee. I hit her in the morning like the gym. I'm dunking on that pussy like the rim. Stomp a nigga in my Yeezy like some Tim. Boy, that nigga baby Jesus going in.
My cake getting old, I just blow it, that's a B-day. I just do, I fuck around and get a key made. My bitch bad, dick her down, make her behave. Sticks, niggas running, that's a relay. I just snap like the app, nigga. Bitch, I eat, you can't even get the scraps, nigga. They know I wreck, everybody with me strapped, nigga. No beanie, no hat, no cap, nigga. I'm by the bag, I be packing where my stuff at. Friendly ass niggas, we don't trust that. I'm plugged in on the
Yo, what's good? What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know what time it is. Yo, we back with something special, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that montage, that on feet. You know, these guys right here, the Airfare God ones, the yellows, probably my favorite shoe to rock right now, man. I just absolutely love these things. Jerry Lorenzo, I mean, that was so much, you know, there was so many question marks and so many, like, you know, these emojis, you know, around what this model would be, what this model would look like, you know what I'm saying? But, like, I'm a huge fan of high top sneakers, shoes, anything. I mean, I was the guy in high school, you know, rocking Timbs all year round, in Chicago like it was New York. I've just, you know, I'm a bigger guy, I play football, just always been a fan of just high top sneakers, shoes in general. You know, just really felt like I got that support around my ankle, man. So when these things, you know, dropped and came out, man, it was just really, really dope to just really see how the silhouette came out, man. These things are dope with shorts, jeans, sweatpants, everything, man. This is really an all-purpose, you know, shoe, all-purpose shoe, man. And Jerry Lorenzo and Fear God, Nike, they definitely killed this model right here. I mean, if you follow my IG, my Instagram, which I'll put it somewhere down here, you see I got every single color of these guys, except of that mint green colorway, but you know, that joint coming soon too. Any colorway that they come out with these, you know, I'm definitely gonna grab. Jerry, we need a black on black version of these. We need a red version of these. You know what I'm saying? Just keep them coming. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, man, I hope you know, definitely enjoyed that on feet. You know, I got to, you know, go visit, you know, one of my homeboys, you know, my best friend from college, man. He got married this past weekend. You know, got to go up there, travel, and, you know, visit my college, my alma mater, man. Shout out to the Berg, shout out to Wartburg, everybody that went out there in Waverly, Iowa. You know, I thought it'd be special, you know, since your boy was definitely getting a fit off, to go ahead and give y'all very special on feet, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all really enjoyed that. Of course, we know, you know, how your boy got these, you know, got these definitely early.
I didn't bring this
out here with the madness, out here styling on them. See him? Mine's on yesterday.
Keep on with us.
You know what I'm saying? From, you know, Complex Con Chicago, you know, where I'm from, the crib, Jerry Lorenzo and Nike decided to come through, drop a couple of early pairs of these for Complex Con weekend, and it was bananas. I put a little video somewhere, you know, in the video to kind of show you just how crazy that was. But, you know, I just believe that Complex Con vlog coming real soon. You know what I'm saying? Better late than never. You know what I'm saying? But it was dope. I was able to get my pair. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I'm happy with them, man. You know, a couple of quick details about the shoe. You know, they did, you know, Nike has seemed to be going away from the suede and the leather construction of this shoe. So you got that ballistic mesh, you know, up there in the, you know, on the top of that thing right there. Yellow, canary yellow shoestrings. You know, of course, you got 2 different laces of these. One long, so you can double wrap it as I have on this joint right here, and one short, so it's just a little shorter fit. You know, across the, you know, the beginning of this panel. So this isn't the OG traditional suede and leather that they have been using on all the sneakers, man. I guess for more of a functionality and more of a comfort, Nike has chosen to go with like a light neoprene like upper right here on the toe box, which at first I was kind of like, why would y'all do that? You know, especially when you're charging people $350 for the sneaker plus tax. But you know, which is taking away a lot of the quality that you would expect. I mean, where's that money going, you know, in the building, the construction of the shoe? But I must say, and I have to admit, that this material, the neoprene material that they use on the toe box of these now, as they come out with the mint colorway, the orange colorway, and now this colorway, it's absolutely and definitely more comfortable than the traditional suede and leather, you know, construction of the shoe. Which, I mean, if I'm gonna be rocking these things all around, they're gonna be that damn comfortable, I'll live with it. You know, I still ain't too excited about the price, but I'll definitely live, you know, with, you know, the build of the shoe. This is by far, between these and the SNKRS, I just average every day. I just wear I rotate between those 2 every day, which whatever colorway of the Fear God one that I'm feeling, and the SNKRS, you know. But of course, again, you already know that if you follow my channel. But yeah, man, this is really simple. You did get a couple of lace locks in there, you know, the clear, you know, lace locks right here with the yellow top, and then you have an all yellow, all gold version of these. You know, the Air Fear God one, you know, we gonna call these things the Chicago Skies, man. I really like that. You know, Jerry, you know, tried to kind of, you know, stick to the Chicago roots, you know, and really kind of name these and be inspired by, like, you know, our WNBA team, the Chicago Sky. You know what I'm saying? And just naming these, you know, we are not calling these the Amarillos, even though that is what's on the, you know, the box, the color code that's on the box. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, yo, you got them on feet. You saw how I got it, man. I think these things are absolutely fire. You know what I'm saying? We gonna keep going back in the game. You know, the fire never stops around here. Man, make sure, you know, you new to the channel, man. Let me know, you know, what y'all think about these things in the comment box, man. I'm excited to hear from y'all. You know, of course, as always, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, man. And of course, again, holla at your boy in the comment box. And you already know how we do around here, Flu Gang TV. Gang, gang, bang, bang, gang.
The Chicago.
Fear God drop. Yellow things. In New York, shit crazy. Everybody running up. Look, everybody running up. That shit crazy. All the way. Oh shit. Everybody. Yeah. Out here in the spot. Got him. Let me see, you got them shit, bro? Yeah. He lit. Lit. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Single best day of the motherfucking year. My man got 3 dollars out here.
You gotta be ready. You gotta be ready. For the situation.
Super lit, man. Let me see him. Thank God. Complex Condrens. You know I got them. It's popping. It's lit.